as you can see, it is the 19th of September 2024. We're looking at the Bitcoin US dollar chart on Kraken. For those of you who don't know, this interface is TradingView. If we look at Bitcoin all the way from 2019 all the way here, you can see that we've been doing higher highs, high lows, high high, high low. So we are currently sitting here. Okay, so this is the monthly break of structure. So this is the range that we're concerned with. So this is my low, and this is my current high. Okay, so this is the range that we're playing with. And as you can see on the monthly time frame, Bitcoin is bullish. For those of you who don't understand what bullish is, bullish means going up, bearish means going down. Then what I like to do is looking at the monthly time frame. I like to put my Fibonacci retracement tool. Because we're in a bullish, because we're going up, we take it from the down to the top. And what I'm interested in looking at is my golden zone, which is my 62 downwards. Okay. And what we can see with the 62 zone is we have this interesting area here. This is our demand zone. So we'll just take all these red candles here. This is my monthly demand zone, which is sitting at 31.8K. This is US dollars. Now that we've looked at the monthly and we know this is our area that we're interested in, now what we look at is we move on to the next time frame. Now I look at the weekly time frame to just understand a little bit better. So weekly is also bullish. This is my weekly area. Fantastic. Great. Okay, so we know that my monthly is bullish and we got our weekly bullish. So far, we're very bullish. And what's important is we always like to look at the higher time frames, because with the lower time frames, there's a lot of volatility and I don't really trust Bitcoin in the short term. So I like to look at the longer term perspective. Okay. And then we can take our Fibonacci tool again and we can take it from the bottom to the top. And then we look again at my 62. And now we've got another area of interest zone here. So this is my weekly zone, and that is 43.8K, somewhere there. So this is another area that we're interested in for Bitcoin to come, hit here, go down, and then bounce up. This area here, we're in a retracement. Overall, weekly is bullish, but if we look at the retracement or the weekly order flow, there's another structure here. So I want to see where could this structure go to. The Fibonacci is able to help find out where this weekly structure is going with a weekly counter trend structure. That's what it's called. And we can see that our minus 27 Fib target is in line with this weekly area. So what this tells us is that this area right here is actually a really good area for us to buy. Now, what is key to note is that if we look at what has happened in the news currently, I believe it was yesterday, the Federal Reserve cut interest rates by 50 basis points. And that's the first time that they've done that since COVID. So that's a big sign from the markets. Because of the interest rate cut, this gives us a more bullish outlook on Bitcoin. And now looking at the chart and the technical, we can see. And I mean, we can even go deeper. We can go into the daily time. Okay. And if we look at the daily time frame and we look at the most recent price structure, we can see that the daily is bearish. And if we take that Fibonacci tool and we take it from here to here, again, we've got that negative 27. This is a high probability buy area. This is where I am going to be having an eye on looking at Bitcoin, because this is a good area. I'm not really interested in buying anywhere else currently, because even if we use the discount tool, we're not even in a discount zone at the moment on the monthly. So I'm not really interested in buying at the moment. And you see this aligns perfectly. This weekly zone aligns perfectly with our monthly discount area, which gives it even more confidence. Thank you very much. That's the end for today, and I'll see you in the next video.